And it has been quite the week to be out on the water. Everything changes tonight, though. Tomorrow's a very different day.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So we saw a nice taste of summer today, actually more sunshine than a lot of us were expecting, so a welcome surprise there. But otherwise, things are starting to change. We've got some rain coming on the way. But look at that, we got plenty of sunshine today. We started out with some clouds. You can see actually just to our south here some heavier stratocumulus clouds, but luckily those just kind of gently touched the coast. Otherwise, inland especially, we saw a lot of sunshine today, and we also saw pretty clear skies as well in terms of the radar. There we go. We can see here we have a couple of showers up north in the county right along the Canadian border, but otherwise it's been a pretty clear and dry day, but that is going to change, and I'll talk about that in just a second. But temperature-wise today, we got up into the mid-70s, and with a little bit of humidity as well. It really felt like summer today. A little bit cooler right along the down east coastline. They had a little bit more clouds today than some of us, but what's really going to change here is as we get into tomorrow with the rain. So we'll build in some clouds later tonight with a couple of showers still left over up in the county, and then as we come in early tomorrow morning, we'll start to get those rain showers coming in from west to east, and some of these are going to be pretty heavy at times, so we could see some localized flooding here as well as some thunderstorms throughout the day. So we'll hit the mid-coast area around 11 a.m. and then hitting the down east area just after lunchtime around 1. So we will have some clearing throughout the day in western Maine, but then we have some more thunderstorms begin to roll in later in the afternoon. So overall, a pretty cloudy and pretty rainy day, but it moves out pretty fast. So by the time we get into very early Thursday morning before sunrise, things are clearing out. We just left over with a little bit of fog, and take a look at that. Thursday and into Friday, nothing pops up on the radar except the temperatures here because it's going to be pretty clear. And as we go into early Friday morning, some places inland could get into the 30s for overnight lows. So here we have Hurricane Franklin downgraded currently to a Category 3, and it's going to stay well offshore, but it is going to advect some moisture into the front that we're going to be seeing tomorrow. So even though the hurricane is very far away, and we're not going to have any direct impacts, instead we have some indirect impacts. It'll also give us a chance of some high surf and some rip currents as well. So then as that low begins to move off, then we have that high pressure system begin to move in with plenty of sunshine behind it. Also, just going to quickly mention Idalia here is going to make landfall in Florida expected tomorrow. So if you're going to be out on the water, marine forecast is 2 to 6 feet and a small craft advisory up as well. So the 7-day forecast really speaks for itself. We've got that rain coming in for Wednesday, and then beyond that, plenty of sunshine out there. So guys, we see some rain tomorrow, some possible flooding as well, but then we have plenty of sunshine to look for in the kind of last official week of summer out there.
All right, another hurdle to get through tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on that. Dana,
absolutely.
Thanks so much.